Hi guys and welcome to my channel. My name is Cisca and today we are going to be pre-pooing and detangling this mess. So guys, please join the family, click the subscribe button and then I'll just take you through the process. So today I'll be using aloe vera gel that I made. And I have a video on my channel. I'm going to link that in the description box on how I made aloe vera juice. It actually follows the same process, but the type of blender you use would determine what you will get at the end of the day, whether you get a juice or a gel. So if you use a high shear blender, you are sure to get a juice, and if you use a low shear blender, you are sure to get a gel. Guys, I'm just going to loosen up my hair now, and of course I usually use shoelace to tie my hair in a puff because it is not tight at all. It actually helps. As you can see, my edges are flourishing. What I'm going to do is section out my hair a little bit, and I'll be using this spray, Fair Botanicals Moisture Boost Daily Refreshing Hair Tonic. It has a little bit of slip, so I just want to give my hair that initial wetness to help loosen up my kinks, because I realized that immediately I spray water on my hair, my kinks begin to my kinky hair begins to loosen up. Yeah, basically get soft and loosen up. So I'm just doing that, spraying that all around my hair. You can use water if you want to use water, but I decided to use this contains green tea, this contains panthenol. Green tea helps with hair loss, hair shedding, and the panthenol helps with split ends. So I'm going ahead with that spray. I'll just keep those the remaining part of my hair aside, and then we'll go ahead and use the gel. So guys, a lot of benefits associated with aloe vera gel for hair, aside from the fact that it has a pH close to your hair. So it actually helps with pH balancing in your hair. It helps with conditioning, it helps with hair loss, it helps with what else again? It helps to promote hair growth. Yeah, a lot of things. So right now I'm using this aloe vera gel as a detangler, and I'm going to go ahead with my white tooth comb. I've realized that using white tooth combs basically on my roots, it's what will help me in reducing breakage. I just use the combs, loosen up my roots. Sometimes I go towards the end as well, but not as often. So I'm going to go ahead with this and just wet my hair a little bit, and of course continue detangling. Like I was explaining earlier, I use white tooth combs on my roots most of the time and then walk my way through the length of my hair with my fingers. Please, is kinky hair. It doesn't have to be all tangle free, like perfectly tangle free, if you know what I mean, because your hair, naturally your kinks, each strand of your hair tends to interact with each other. So except maybe you're doing a hairstyle that will require that all tangles are gone, you don't really need to go through the process of perfectly detangling your hair, except if it is the hairstyle. So for me, I actually do not do that. I just do enough that to allow me, move to the hairstyle I want to do. And once I'm done detangling, guys, I just go ahead and twist that up. I don't have the luxury of detangling and just leaving my hair free like that. My hair is going to tangle, like, badly. So once I detangle, I just twist it back up and I move to the next section. This is going to follow the same process of cutting out a section of spraying my hair with my hair tonic. It's actually my brand. Yay! Spraying my hair with my hair tonic, and just to give that hair a little bit of wetness. Like I explained earlier, this contains green tea, this contains hibiscus, this contains panthenol. So yeah, I prefer to use this than use water. And I go ahead with the hair gel, apply it, slather it on my hair, and that's it, guys. Then detangle, use my white tooth comb, loosen up my roots, use my fingers to do the rest. Please ensure that you also focus on your ends though, because they are the oldest part of your hair, so you need to take extra care of your ends. And move along with the white tooth comb to loosen up my roots, and then use my fingers to do the rest. So it actually took me about an hour to detangle my hair, and I had a lot of gel left. Like guys, I had a lot of gel. Since the initial focus was detangling, for the pre-poo, I'm just going to slather. I'm going to saturate my hair with this, man. So guys, this is what I have after detangling. Yep, this is what we have. And I'm going to go ahead and show you guys the gel. I have some more in the kitchen. We cannot let this go to waste. I'm going to go ahead and saturate my hair with this gel, just a lot of it, as the pre-poo part of this process. Once I saturate it, I ensure my scalp to get a lot of this goodness, because that's apparently where the hair grows out from. So you need to also focus on the scalp and not just your hair. And I'm going to twist my hair back and repeat the same process through the hair, through my entire head. I have everything done now. I'm going to get my plastic bag, or we can call this a plastic head wrap. A plastic head wrap for deep conditioning. Let us give it a touch name. Not every time plastic bag. I still have a little bit of aloe vera gel left, and since my hair has gotten the goodness that it needs, I'm going to go ahead and use this on my face. Aloe vera has a lot of benefits for face, helps reduce acne. So I'm just going to use this on my face, massage it in very well, and guys, after an hour, I go ahead and rinse my hair and rinse my face and put this remainder in the refrigerator. This is the amount of shed hair that I have. For me, this is actually okay, but we're looking to reduce that. So guys, I've rinsed my face, I've rinsed my hair out, and yep, my skin is popping, and my hair feels very, very okay. So guys, I hope this tutorial this process was helpful to you. I would like to know your results, guys, on how your hair felt, how your face felt when you used aloe vera gel on it. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. Thank you for watching, and Cisca is going to see you in her next video. Bye, guys.